Hey everybody, let me talk in this video about layout design. When you design layouts in an Android application, for example, I just drag this button here. You have to make sure this button, when you add it here, there is no guarantee this button will appear in the same place with different device size. Because if I change it to the next stain to have different size and width and height, the button will not appear as you expect. So, Google provides us different tools that allow us to manage our layout. If you go to this section for layout, there's many tools for constraint layout, grid, frame, and more. So I would use the one that you see yourself more comfortable with. In this video, I will teach you about this tool that name it constraint layout. So how you would work with constraint layout? I just remove this one and remove this one also. I just keep this layout. Click right and I will select. If I just go. Hopefully you would see it in the video because it's out of the screen size. I have no idea why this one appear here. Yeah, here you go. If I click right on it, yes, here you go. Convert. I will select convert layout to constraint layout and click OK. It would take some time until we'll change this layout from normal layout to constraint layout. Maybe you will see this a problem if you are using beta version. So please go to the bold and select clear project and wait for some time. Here you go. If by any chance you still have problem, make sure to go to the file and click invert cache and restart and invert and restart. If you by any chance when you click on text and you would see any problem here, you see it in the red, that means you need to update your constraint layout. So make sure to go here and select tools, SDK tool, and make sure to update both of these if you see update here. I have the last version, everything updated, so I don't need to update both of these. So yes, I'm okay now to get started. To get started, I will just select this one, the smooth, to see this way how to work with it. Let me just minimize this one and make screen size bigger a little bit to allow me to show you what I want to show. First of all, I will add line in the vertical, so to make my work easy, and I would add line in the horizontal. If you see this horizontal one and the vertical, I didn't add it. Let me place again to add it. Yes, here we go. This is line for vertical and line for horizontal. The idea behind this two line to allow me to manage the layout. So now what do you think I will do? I will do login page, username and password and button and some magic thing. So first of all, what do you think I would add? I would add text? No, I would add text view. Take it. So when you want to add it, if you see, he give me a guideline. I would add it here for first, and I would change the size, the text for this one. I would say login page, and I would change the size to 34. Okay, here you go. Now let me line it. If I see, I would add it on the line, whatever, on any place. Here we say in the middle. Now this is the box. I could add constraint in different or in different place. So if I select it here, I click here, I would see tag. I could drag it, add constraint here, take this one again and add constraint here, and take this one here, add constraint here. I added 3 constraint. I just see the constraint from the top is 0. So if you see, my button is going to the top line directly. If I want to add space, I would say constraint 10. See, I just add 10 from this side. How much you want to add from the left? Let's suppose I would add 10. How much I would add from the right? 10. If you see, here I have this value, it's 15. That means the value for this constraint will be scratched 15% whenever you change the device. That means I'm using now Nexus 5, I change it to Nexus 10, the value for them will be changed 50%. That means double. If you change it to different value, you will see different size. You could change it to a different value. If you see, here you go. Now I'm using 50%. I would not do it more. 50. Here you go. That means always in the middle. Let me go back to Nexus 6. Yeah, here you go on the Nexuses. So there is some more information I will teach you about this tool. If you see here, I have this mode. Now I'm in the mode in the horizontal and the vertical I have same mode. In the horizontal I have this mode. This mode that mean this text view size will be equal to the content. If I click one time on it in this way to change it, if you see this mean fixed size, if you see this button, this text will be fixed size 169. If I change it 118, so whenever the device change it, it will still 118. If you see, if I change it to Nexus 10, it's 118, never change it. So yes, this in some cases you want to keep the size same, so I would say click this mode. If I click again, I would see this one. This is different mode. This mean full space. That means how much I left from this side, 10. So all other place followed with this box. If you see, he just left 10 from this side, 10 from this side, and he followed with my button. If you see, followed in the middle. So select the one that you wanted. For example, I would select wrap content, equal the text that I have it, and I'd add 310. If you want to remove this constraint, really easy, just click here, remove it, this one, remove this one, remove this one. There is another way to add constraint automatically. Let me just enable this one, this magnetic. So just move it whenever you want to add it in the guideline, keep it. He already will create for you a constraint, but he will not create all the needed constraint somehow. Just add the third one. Yeah, here you go. Now I think this one is good a place. Now let me just stop the magnetic. I don't like it. If you like it, go ahead and continue with it. So what we need to add more? We need to add text view for. I would not use text. Okay, I would use text view just to show you how the layout could be designed. I would say username in this way, and I would also add another one for the text input for the username. Let me support this one. I would remove the text. I would add hint, your name please. Okay, this is as a hint only. If you see, now I have two boxes. If you want to align them, just go ahead and select both of them, and by click the mouse here, then continue, click and move it to select both of them, and click right and select, for example, horizontal, central horizontal. He will centralize in horizontal. You could select different mode. For example, you would align them when you want to align them in the left. You would align them in the left if they are one under other. For what I mean by that, if you have both of them here and you want to align them to the left, you say, okay, I would select them and click right and say, hey, align to the left. See, they will start from same place. But I would not align them in the left. I would see, I could move them also. I would select alignment in one line. So I would say, click here, click right, make sure I click again, click right and select horizontal. If you see it. If you want, then you could move it. I would say yes. Here we go. I would add this one and this. I would leave 16 between them. Add constraint for 16. Make sure it's 16. So, and this one for sure have to be ping it to this side. Make sure you ping it. Up. Yeah, okay. Here you go. See, I left 0 here. Let me lift how much I want to lift from this side. Now I could move it. If you want to, here you go. This is the problem. Now how much I want to manage, how much the changing in the size when device changes. Let me keep it 50%. I will not have any problem here. 15%. Now here, this is the constraint. How much the constraint I want it to be. I said the constraint here is 16. So make sure to always keep 16. So let me, this one, see it, I would say, for example, 0, I would just keep them. See, now I have problem here because of this button. I just give it 0, but it's still not fixed size. What? I will fix it in a second. Let me do the work for the password also, and I will fix it for you, this one. I will just add for password. I would say, hey, I have password here. Okay. And I will also add the button for the password. I will say password. Here I will say the hint, your password, please. Okay. Then add constraint between both of these. I don't know why Google did not allow us to select both of these and click right and make constraint between both of them. The Google still, this one is still in the update mode, so now you have to click right and add constraint here. Make sure how much the constraint size here, 84. Let's suppose, for example, 15. So make sure this one also be 15. That means how much I left from the left is 15. Up, I need to increase the size to could work. So I would say, okay, this one will be also 15. That means I'm lifting 15, so they start same place. Now I want to keep them same size, so I will not have a problem with the constraint. So let me just go change it to the fixed size. I say 16. Let me suppose 17. I don't like the partial number. I would suppose this one will be 17 also. Let me just fix it and make it to the 17 in this way. So that means they are same size, so same width. Now now because the same width, they are started from same place, so they will be ended from same place. So now I could manage this to one. Let me just add this one constraint from this side. So now how much the place I left here? If you see 0, how much this one? 16. Let me just this one change it also to 0. Okay, and this one, okay, I don't have any problem in it. Both of them, they are 15. Both of them left 0 from this side, so I will not have any problem. I don't care how much they left from this side. For sure, they have to left 16. So yeah, this is for username and password. Let me add the button for login. Here you go. I would think your button login will be added. I would suppose the button will add constraint from this side and adding constraint from this side. You could, I would suppose the button have to be moved in this way. If you see when I move the button, still the constraint same, but how much the percent that this constraint will be doubled when I increase or decrease the size. If you see 1/3, 33. So now 17 from this side and 30 from this side. If you don't like this way, you would say, okay, I will keep it always 50%. If you don't like it, here you go. And you say, okay, I will lift from this side 0. And I don't care about this side because I want always to be from this side. If you want to keep it 10, you want to say, hey, I want it always to be from this side and I don't care about left side. And you could connect it with the above one, like mean, hey, I also would connect it with this one and just move it. Still keep it same. That means, hey, I still keep it this side and I don't care about this side. Hopefully I will not have effect on that one. You could add another button just to show you. This one just should be login. Okay. What I did, hopefully I did not did something wrong. I say, hey, login. Okay. I think I just changed the device size mode. So yes, here you go. Next is 4. Yes, I think I changed the mode to horizontal. Up. Yeah, it's okay to change it to horizontal. Next is 4 and next is 6. Yes, this is my layout. I don't think I have any problem with the layout. Let me just show you how you could add button here, just for practice. So let me just take this one. I say, okay, I would add button here. So if I wanted always to be in this place, I have to add constraint from this side and constraint from this side. Okay. Now, yeah, I would suppose everything is good. Back. Let me suppose, let me say it is back. Okay. So I always having constraint from this side and 16 from this side. So now you understand what mean constraint. Don't care about the shape of the constraint. They have. I know you think about it like iOS have to be direct, but still this tool and develop. So let me just suppose I want to change it to Nexus 10 and see if everything is good. Yes, everything is cool. If you see, yes, you don't want to have space between these. The way that you see this constraints get doubled, this one and this one get doubled because I say 50%. That means get updated 50%. If you say this one will be 0% and this one will be 0% from this side, that means there is no change. Whatever device size changed, the component will still in same place. If you see, still the component, they still started from same place. See? So yes, this is the easiest tool that you could use it to design your layout. If you like it, continue with it and use it. If you don't like it, please see the next video for a grid layout and frame layout, linear, horizontal, relative, table, other stuff. If you like it, continue with it, and ignore other tool for the other video. Are we done? Thank you for watching.